If Google Chrome keeps crashing on Windows 11 or Windows 10, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Chrome stable again without guessing. These are simple troubleshooting methods that can solve the most common causes of random crashes, freezing, or Chrome closing by itself. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, start with the simplest fix. Restart your computer. It might sound basic, but a quick restart can clear temporary Windows issues, background conflicts, and memory problems that may be causing Chrome to crash. To do that, open the Start menu, click Power, and then choose Restart. Once your PC comes back on, try opening Chrome again and see if the problem is gone. If Chrome is still crashing, the next step is to update Google Chrome. Updates often include bug fixes, security patches, and performance improvements that can solve stability problems. Open Chrome. If it's still possible to launch, then click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, and select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, let it install completely, and then relaunch the browser. Many crash issues are fixed simply by updating to the latest version. Now let's move on to extensions, because broken or conflicting extensions are one of the most common reasons Chrome crashes on Windows 11 and Windows 10. To check them, click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions. Here, disable anything that could be interfering, especially ad blockers, VPN extensions, and any suspicious add-ons you don't fully trust or don't recognize. After disabling them, restart Chrome and test it again. If the crashes stop, one of those extensions was likely the cause. You can then turn extensions back on one by one to find the exact problem. Next, we'll disable hardware acceleration. This is another very effective fix, especially if Chrome is crashing due to graphics-related issues or GPU rendering conflicts. Go into Chrome settings, then click System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it off. After that, click Relaunch so the change can take effect. If your graphics driver or hardware rendering is causing instability, this step can make a huge difference. After that, clear Chrome's cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted and cause the browser to behave unpredictably. To do this quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. A new window will open where you can select cached images and files. Once that option is checked, click Delete Data. This removes old temporary files that may be affecting Chrome's performance and stability. After clearing the cache, try opening websites again and check whether the crashing has improved. If Chrome is still giving you trouble, the next step is to reset Chrome settings. This is useful when browser settings, startup behavior, or hidden configuration changes are causing repeated crashes. Open Settings, go to Reset Settings, and then click Restore Settings to their original defaults. When prompted, confirm by clicking Reset Settings. This will remove problematic browser configurations and restore Chrome's core settings without deleting everything from your Google account. It's one of the best last step fixes when Chrome keeps failing on launch or crashing during normal use. At this point, most users will notice a big improvement. If Chrome is now running normally, great. The problem was likely one of those common causes like a bad extension, corrupted cache, or graphics acceleration issue. If it still crashes after all of these steps, the next things to look at would be your graphics drivers, Windows updates, or even reinstalling Chrome completely. So to quickly recap, restart your PC, update Chrome, disable extensions, turn off hardware acceleration, clear the cache, and reset Chrome settings. These fixes solve a large number of Chrome crashing problems on both Windows 11 and Windows 10. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.